A very good morning to the family fraternity of Pragati College of Education. I extend my warm greetings on the occasion of commemoration of India's Independence Day, when we need to pay tribute to those who fought tirelessly to achieve the freedom and those who shaped its destiny with vision and mission. India has stood as a beacon to the world for its glorious culture and tradition. The scientists and scholars from across the world have applauded the Indian ethos and knowledge tradition. It is very apt moment for me as an academician to share with you the advent of the newly approved National Education Policy 2020 by the Government of India. At this juncture and the need of the day, the NEP 2020 will reshape the Indian education system in the new year dimensions in terms of skill development, research and innovations. India is for sure going to be a knowledge superpower and will be a global platform for knowledge hub. Let us all strive to march ahead in this journey of national development by competing in capacity building. I would also like to add that we need to constantly work towards realizing and pursuing the goals individually in order to be collectively responsible. Our beloved former president, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Saab, had poignantly directed us to ponder on how to shape an elevated mind, and I quote him: "If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the most importantly, the teacher." Unquote. In his simple style, he reminds us of our responsibility towards our children, the inheritance that we leave them with. An institution for me is a temple not merely for bookish learning, but a platform for all-round development, by molding and honing up a new individual who in turn contributes to nurture the development of a nation. With this thought and aim, let us pledge to devote ourselves successfully for India's upliftment to the zenith. With this, I end my message. Jai Hind.